Hello everyone and welcome back to Sai Yoga YouTube channel. So you all must be wondering about what would be today's video. Today's video would be about Indian diet plan for PCOS and PCOD women. So first let us elaborate about the Indian diet plan. What does an Indian diet plan includes? A proper Indian diet plan includes all the pulses and cereals, fruits and nuts that are naturally grown in our country. Means you must try to consume all the fruits and vegetables according to the seasonal conditions, climatic conditions available in our environment, but in minimal quantity. In today's video, we are not only going to tell you what you must consume, but also in how much quantity you have to consume all the foods. So, in the early morning when you get up, you must have a glass full of water. You can add 2 grated gooseberries, 6 to 7 peppermint leaves and 2 pinches of cinnamon powder to the water to give some flavor. So not only diet or not only workout helps in reducing weight loss or your problems. Both are equally important. After 15 to 20 minutes, you must have 20 soaked and peeled almonds and 1 tablespoon of flax seeds with 200 ml of toned milk. So we have also posted workout videos on our channel especially for PCOS and PCOD women. Check it out and then try to follow the diet which we are preparing for you. So after 10 minutes, you must go for a 40 minutes brisk walk. Walking is also very important. Walking, jogging and running equally makes your body fit and healthy and makes you fresh throughout the day. So when you complete your walk, you can have green tea and for some flavoring you can add ginger, pudina, tulsi and a pinch of cinnamon. You must equally think about whatever you are consuming in your day-to-day life and only keep a proper diet throughout the month for better results. After 1 hour, you can have eggs with vegetables or sprouts salad with veggies, different types of vegetables including broccoli, mushroom, bell pepper, pomegranate, lemon and sesame seeds. So if you also feel hungry after some time, like you people must be addicted to some light snacks. So you can take a vegetable juice or any fruit juice without sugar added in it. In lunch, just think about what you can have in lunch. You must have a chapati made with wheat, bran and gram flour plus curd with no salt and a chopped cucumber. Before lunch and after breakfast, you must have a workout. This time is the proper time for doing a workout. In the evening, you can have green tea or you can have some bhuna chana bhel with different types of sprouts, and you can also have 10 to 15 peanuts, or you really feel so hungry, you can also have any fruit, but in minimal quantity. In dinner, you must make sure that you eat the dinner by 8 p.m. In dinner, you can have any fruit or vegetable salad in plain curd or vanilla ice cream. You can also have yogurt, but make sure that you don't add sugar over the curd. Let me give you a tip. Do not forget to drink ajwain and tulsi water between and after your meals to digest your food. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments section if you want any further diet plans. Thank you.